Wow, this is amazing.
What's so cool?
It's ferrofluid. fluid. I mix vegetable oil and powdered metal to make it.
What else can you do with powdered metal?
Aha! Right here in Louisville, PA, we have a company called Metalcraft. They use powdered metal to make parts for other companies.
Well, how do they do that?
Through powdered metallurgy, of course.
So powder metallurgy is a very simple process. It basically involves three major steps. We have the powder section, we have the molding section, we have the sintering section. Powder is our area where all the powder comes in, it's inventoried, it's then distributed to the presses. The molding step is when we actually take this powder, press it at high tonnages, and the result is a green compact. We then go into the sintering step. The parts are put on ovens, and as the parts go through, they are heated slowly all the way up to 2050, where the actual sintering is going on. It then goes into a cooling jacket. The cooling jacket is where we get a phase transformation with the green compact goes into a metallurgical bonded component.
We have 55 great dedicated employees, and a lot of our employees have been with us for 25 years or more, so it's like family. So Metalcraft is really a family manufacturing company.
I'm a tool and die maker at Metalcraft. I make the tools that form the parts. The parts go into automobiles, electric, steel chainsaws, a lot of different functions.
The day of my job is very hectic, fast-paced, and usually enjoyable.
I am a people person. I like to interact with the people.
Being responsible for a manufacturing company is exciting because it gives me the opportunity to not do the same thing every day. So I can come in, I can work with engineering, I can work with accounting, I can work with human resources, I can work with the sales group.
Just being motivated and always wanting to learn and being a problem solver to me are the biggest tips that I can give anybody that wants to go into manufacturing.
Learning about the process of powdered metallurgy and meeting the employees of Metalcraft was very exciting. Thank you, Metalcraft, for showing us how cool manufacturing really is.